Hi everyone, now we are going to introduce the throttle lock flame out function for a light agriculture drone. Push the stick outward and down to activate throttle. Then keep the stick at center position. Gently push the throttle stick up. Then a light agriculture drone will take off gradually. Completed. Run demonstration. Make sure to keep your finger on the stick all the time after throttle unlocked. Throttle lock after landing. Push the throttle stick down gently. While agriculture drone is about to land at the ground, push the throttle stick down to the end. Then the throttle is locked. Completed. Above all is about throttle lock flame out function introduction. Thanks for watching.